Hello, all my beautiful loves. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see from the title, honey, we are going to be reviewing the Girl Meets Makeup palettes today. So I have used almost all of their palettes so far. I just did a look on Instagram actually using one of their palettes called Bear. So today in the YouTube video, I'm like, why not use the pink one for the YouTube video? Because I just know y'all gonna love the look that I have in store, okay? So this is their packaging, and y'all know I love me some good packaging, honey. So I love their logo. It's really cute. They always give you this cover over the palettes, which I also like. This is just looks so professional, you know? And this is their palette called Rosy that I'm gonna be using today. So I'm basically just gonna try to create a palette using I'm gonna try to create a look using only this palette, none of the other palettes, no other like eyeshadows or anything, just this palette. Okay, so it's kind of a challenge. This is how we look in. It has a nice size mirror in the palette. So as you can see, there's a lot of pinks in this palette, so I thought, why not do a pink look? But it's gonna be like pink and nude type of look. So without further ado, let's get right on into this. This intro is so long, but it's okay. Y'all gonna see, okay? Y'all gonna see when this look come out, and y'all are amazed, period. I'm just gonna come back after I'm done doing my brow. Alrighty, as you all can see, I'm prepped and primed and ready to go for this shadow. I'm gonna just point to the shades that I'm gonna be using today, and then we're gonna just dig right in. We're going right off the dome. I don't have any inspiration today. We're just gonna try to go with the flow, you feel me? So I'm basically just starting with the deepest shade that was like that purpley color and just packing that onto the lid with a dense brush. And then I'm going to go right on top of that with the second deepest shade, which was that like really pretty pink. And then I'm going to be packing on the lightest pink first and then blending that out with a fluffy blending brush. I used the hack from P. Louise to cut my crease with Vaseline first and then remove the Vaseline with the makeup wipe to have just like a perfectly sharp cut crease. I will be doing more tutorials using this technique because honestly it is the GOAT. It's been helping me so much. So yeah, this is a really cool technique. I mean, a lot of people have Vaseline just available, so it's like that's a pretty easy item to get a hold of. And then some makeup wipes. So as you can see, it cut off all that extra like pink shade before I added my base again. You don't want those two colors to mix, you know what I'm saying? So this was perfect because I am gonna put the nude shade from the palette on top of this like, you know, neutral type of base color. It's actually, it looks white on the camera, but it's really like a nude type of color. Cutting this base again for the last time here. I'm doing like a winged out type of cut, and it just turned into I don't even know what. It's like a really cool looking, I don't know, it's like a cut crease, but it's not because I'm gonna wing it out, but I'm gonna add shadows there. So I'm gonna add my base again after I'm done cutting this crease. I was like, what the heck, you know what I'm saying? Because it's just so strange, but it looks so weird at first, but it's okay. Don't judge it. Like you got to start somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just adding my base back here. before I do that exact same blend I did on top, I'm gonna do it right on top of this base, but I'm gonna do it backwards. So I'm gonna add my deep shades first, but I'm gonna start right where that line touches the neutral base that we added beforehand. Okay, so this blend has turned into something indeed it has. So I don't even know how to explain this, not really. I'm actually gonna take this silver, actually I'm gonna swatch these shimmers just to see what they're looking like. I want to see what's up. Let's see. Ooh, oh wait, that's like that one's more of a like a peachy color. And then let's do this bronzy one. Let's see what she's looking like. Whoa, honey. Woo! I want to swatch this pink one. Oh, that's so, this pink is like the perfect like bubblegum pink. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Just gonna take that shade and throw it in my inner corner. Yeah, that's really cute. I always try to do something in my inner corner just to get that like pop and like fade into my eyeshadow type of look, you feel me? So I'm gonna finish this look off with some glitter and lashes. I'll be back in a second. Now that all of that's all done and dandy, we're gonna move on to skin. I plan on doing a drugstore makeup tutorial soon, so I've been testing out what I want to use and recommend, so don't mind my skin routine at the moment. I will be updating you with a video of what I'm gonna be using, stuff available during quarantine. So yeah, let's lay some skin, period, boo. Okay, I'm truly obsessed. I'm not gonna lie. Like, period, poo. So I'm actually gonna dip into this palette again, and I'm gonna use this bubblegum pink I was talking about as a blush. Let's see what's up. This little fluffy brush. Dip, dip, dip. Let me brush some off on my hand. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty. Ooh, it's very natural. I love using eyeshadow as blush because it's very natural compared to like actual blush. It's way less, you know, intense. And you can get the exact pink that you want, you know, just use a pink eyeshadow that you like on your skin tone. Ooh, let me actually dip into this like burgundy color. Ooh, this that shimmer burgundy color. This one. I dipped into that, and it's giving me very much skin right now. Like, a lot of y'all know I stopped using highlighter a while ago, and so I've been liking like shimmery blushes, and this is giving me very much that. See how it added a glow? So yeah, guys, you could be as versatile as you want with this. And as far as the palette goes, I absolutely love it. Again, this is the Rosy palette from Girl Meets Makeup. I actually have all of their palettes here, so these are every single palette. I will list them and link them down below. Also, you can use my code down below for 30% off if you are interested in purchasing any of these. I'm just gonna do a little montage showing the palettes that I have so far and their names. Again, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this look so much. I absolutely love how this turned out. These shadows are really easy to blend. With every palette is like a new like challenge for me to like try to only use their eyeshadows to do a look. So I thought this was like a really cool little thing. I don't know. I don't even know what to call this, to be honest. I just think it's a really cool looking cut crease, to be honest. So yeah, every single one of these palettes, I actually have 2 looks for some of these palettes. So if you go on my Instagram, you'll be able to see those videos. If you are looking for inspiration, love Girl Meets Makeup. If you decide that you want to try anything from their line, everything will be listed down below. And I'll see you all in my next video, which hopefully will be a drugstore makeup look. So yeah, look forward to that. Bye.